Hello and welcome. Now, in this video, we want to discuss some of the equipment you're going to need in order to create videos. Now, obviously, you can create them as elaborately as you want. However, if you're creating them for your business, you do have a minimum level of equipment you're going to need, and that's what we're going to cover in this session. Now, assuming that you already have a computer and or a smartphone, you are going to need a way of being able to capture audio. And typically, you're going to need some kind of noise canceling headset or microphone. And you can get one like the one that's pictured, the Plantronics Audio 355. It goes into most PCs and Macs. Now, even though the Plantronics is noise canceling, you are going to need something like a pop filter or something to capture the noise and wind. And you can do that very easily with some kind of windscreen, which you can get inside of a site like Amazon. Now, it's quite possible that your laptop will not have jacks for an audio headset. It may have a USB port, and if that's the case, you can buy an adapter for your stereo jacks so that they can go into your laptop. Now, one of the things that will make recording your videos much easier is to have a second and or third monitor. And you can get travel versions of the monitor in 1080 or high definition by looking for a travel monitor with 1080p. Now, you'll need to be careful when you're looking at these monitors because most of them don't come in high definition, and you'll need that in order to record your video properly. So make sure that you're looking for one with high definition and that it actually travels with you wherever you go. If you're recording yourself or you're recording some kind of activity, you'll be able to use an external webcam that does not depend on the resources of your personal computer. And you can get one in the Logitech C930E. Of course, you can get something that's a lot more elaborate than this, but this is a very easy and affordable choice in terms of a webcam. Now, the webcam that we just mentioned, it actually adjusts to the lighting. However, in most cases, you are going to need to be able to throw some kind of light on your subject, even if it is you. And you can do that very easily and affordably by getting a number of what's called a clamp lamp to place around your recording area. If you need to soften the light that comes from the clamp lamp, you can do that with a pair of white hosiery. In order to neutralize your background, you can do this very easily and affordably with what's called a shoji screen. And once again, this is according to preference, but this is a very neutral background that anyone can use in order to take away the unprofessional look from their background. And if pricing is an issue to find these items, you can use a meta search for both eBay and Craigslist. Depending on where you live in the world, you can type in your search phrase to searchtempest.com or all of Craigslist. Now, you are going to need some kind of recording and capturing software to run on your Mac or PC. You can find one of the most commonly used applications in TechSmith Camtasia. Now, because TechSmith Camtasia runs over $200, you'll be able to pick up a screen capture and editing program for much less than that if you choose to use Screencast-O-Matic, which again does all of the functions in terms of capturing video, capturing your screen, and giving you the opportunity to edit your content. If you're going to give your presentation while you're creating your videos, you're likely to use a free application on Google, such as Google Docs or Google Slides, or of course you can use Microsoft Office and PowerPoint. Now, if you're already a user of a webinar application, you can use this feature to record your videos even though you do not have features to edit the videos in sites like GoToWebinar. There's similar paid applications such as Zoom and free applications that you can record your screen such as Google Hangouts. Now, in combining all of these elements, you'll be able to put together a reasonably priced system that will help you to get started until you reach the point where you want to invest more in your video creation system. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.